about you. You know, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this day?
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take a can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
Hey everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenshaw and I make videos about being in your 20s. It's Saturday, y'all, and it's a very gloomy Saturday, but you know what, I'm honestly not mad at it. Like, I'm honestly not mad at it at all. Fall is coming, and that's honestly, why am I saying honestly so much? Fall is on the way and I'm excited for it. Like, I'm excited for all the burr months. Like, I'm excited for the leaves, the cold weather. Not necessarily the cold weather, maybe not that, but I'm just excited for the fall atmosphere. Like, I don't know, I'm just ready for it. So I've decided that this is going to be a cozy Saturday. Some Saturdays are for going out, some Saturdays are for running your errands, getting things done, and other Saturdays are for staying inside and chilling. And that is what we're doing today. So you guys got to see a little bit of my morning so far, and now it is, what time is it? It's probably like 1:30, 1:45. And I did get a little bit of a late start, but that's okay because it's the weekend. So I'm gonna take you guys through this little cozy Saturday that I'm having. This is gonna be like two girls on FaceTime, just chilling with each other, talking to each other all day. I have some things that I want to kind of talk to you guys about. Like, I have some new makeup that I want to try. I want to plan for fall, make a fall wish list, you know, just do cutesy stuff like that. Just do, you know, some girly stuff like that. I also have some things I want to show you. Of course, I am always spending my money, so I'm going to show you what I got. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a very chill, cozy day. First thing though, I got a package a couple of days ago. Y'all, my weeks, like during the week, I get so busy and so like just swamped that anything that's not like important, like anything that's not like crazy important, just doesn't get like, I don't pay any attention to. I don't know if that makes sense, but like if it's not like urgent or like very important, then I'm like not paying attention to it. Like, it gets pushed to the side. My weeks are just so busy with my job and with school, and so I've had this package for a couple of days and it's just been sitting here on the floor and I need to open it. Okay, it's an Amazon package and it's not very like, it is interesting but also not like crazy interesting. It's interesting to me and that's all that matters. All right. It's a book. It is our next book club book. So in my last vlog, you saw that I went to book club meeting and you saw the book that we read last month. This is the book for September. It's called Memory Piece by Lisa Coe. The cover is so cool. I'm very excited to start reading this. I'm getting a late start on this. It is already like the end of the second week of September. I'm gonna try and see if I can get like a chapter or two in today. There's nothing more cozy than reading a book, so I think I'm gonna crack this open today, but I'm so excited. Look how pretty this is. Also, if you're wondering what I am wearing, my shirt is from TJ Maxx. I got it last night. This chain necklace is from Shein, I think. Both of my earrings are from TJ Maxx. I have some rings on my finger. I think they're Shein. This one is Amazon. Bracelets are from Shein. And I just have on these, you can't see them. My pants are just some like lounge pants I got from Shein. Has to be today. I have my hair in a claw clip, and yeah, that's it. Alright, so we are back here in this spot because, like I told you guys, there are some makeup items that I want to try. It's really just one makeup item, well, two, because one I've already tried. But last week I got this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation and I want to try it out. Yes, I have not tried this out. I know everybody and their mom talks about this foundation, but I've never tried it. Usually I just wear Sephora Best Skin Ever, or I do, let's see, or I do Fenty. This is the Pro Filter. I'm very much a matte babe. Like I have oily skin, so I'm always wearing matte foundations. And this is supposed to be like a long-lasting foundation. Hopefully that means that it's matte, because I'm not a glowy girl at all. But I don't want to try that. And this Fenty Beauty like lip liner, I tried it last week. Bomb. Very bomb. Yeah, some other like makeup things that I like want to try out. Blush, like I want to get into more blushes and just do more with powder blush, liquid blush. I just want to get more into blush. Like I need to up my blush game, so that's probably going to be like a next purchase for me. So I'm going to play in my makeup. I love doing this. Like, what is more fun and more relaxing than getting to like put on a face of makeup, and it's just like you playing around, you know? It's like no stress because you're not going out or anything. I am loving the music lately. Like I feel like the different like artists and musicians have been going so hard this year with their music. Like they're feeding us. Like we are eating this year when it comes to music. Okay, so what I want to do is tell you guys some of the songs and artists that I've been listening to, because I'm about to like start playing some music. And so it's almost time for my fall playlist to come back out. My fall playlist is bomb. Like I listen to it every year. I've been listening to it every year for like the past, what, 4 or 5 years. So that's how you know it's good. And I'll show it to y'all next week. I'm trying to film like a fall vlog next week, so stay tuned for that. But of course, our queen Sabrina, yes, her album, fire. 10 out of 10, no notes. Okay, so good, so good. My lips are so dry, so dry. I can't believe I've been sitting here talking to you with these dry lips. So let me go fix that. That's that me espresso. Jada Jonee posted this lip gloss on her Instagram. So when I was in Ulta, I bought it. This is the Essence. Oh my gosh, it's like rubbed off. The Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss. And if I take the wand out, like, you can see how much I've used already. Can you? I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see how much I've used already. Anyways, I've used it a lot. That's the whole point. Sabrina Carpenter's album, so good. There you go. One of my favorite songs, of course, is Bed Kim, and then the other one that I love is Don't Smile, the one that's at the end. Love that. I did love Lotto's album. My favorite song is There She Go. I love that one. I love that one. Tate McRae. Like, I am not one for, like, you know, the cookie cutter pop music. Well, not usually. But I just love her songs. Like, I just love her songs. I'm very into the pop girls right now. That new song she just released, It's Okay, I'm Okay. You know, the one where she's like strutting in the music video. I really like that song. Arya Starr and her album was really good. I started listening to it like earlier in the summer, but love that album. I'm trying to get into my like obscure bag. Like, I used to be so good back in the day at finding like artists and songs that nobody really knew about or like were not talked about, and now I listen to whatever is mainstream, and I don't like that. Like, I need to go back to like where I used to like search and find like different artists and listen to like different types of music. I need to go back to that. So I'm trying, but I feel like that's something you do when you have a lot of time and I don't have a lot of time anymore. So the Daylist by Spotify, where they create the playlist for you, fire. They don't miss. A lot of the playlists that they make for you are so fire, and I wish there was a way to like save playlists that they make. Here's how the foundation is looking so far. I'm obsessed. Like, it looks really good, and the color match is perfecto. The only thing, why is there not a pump or some type of like application thing, applicator? It's just the bottle. Like, that is too expensive to just be pouring it out. They need to put like a pump or something on it. There's my mug from this morning. I'm sitting on my floor because what's more comfier than sitting on your floor? Sitting on your bed, actually. Sitting on your bed is more comfortable than sitting on the floor. All right, now I'm going to watch some fall vlogs. I'm also going to like plan out my video next week and plan out like my fall wish list and all of those beautiful things. Just really excited for the new season, you know? Very excited. So I'm gonna motivate myself by watching some like fall vlogs on YouTube. You know, the girlies have already started their fall decorating and their fall, you know, things, all the fall things. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'll probably hop in my bed after that and get started on some schoolwork because I have a lot of schoolwork to do, as always. the camera before the sun went down. But I forgot that the sun goes down like at a earlier time now. What time is it? Yeah, it's 8 and the sun's completely gone. That's how you know we are in a different season. Anyway, I've just been working on my, I don't know if you can see that, but I've been working on my homework for like the past, I don't even know how many hours. 4 hours? That's insane. But yeah, so I've been working on all of this, typing out all of this. That was just part A that I've been working on. And now I'm about to start part B, and this is all due tomorrow night. And then there's another assignment that I have to do that's due tomorrow night. And then not counting the assignments that are due within the week that I need to start. That way I'm not trying to finish them the night they're due. It's just a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, spending a Saturday with me. It was kind of fun just getting to show y'all the random things that I'm doing and what's kind of like occurring. I feel like these Saturdays where you do nothing but like chill and hang out around your house are so important because sometimes you just need that. Sometimes you just need a Saturday to do nothing. So yeah, I might pick up this vlog, pick up the camera to close the vlog out tomorrow. But just in case I don't, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next vlog.